HVAC prices are rising in 2026. Don't wait until the summer. If your HVAC system is getting older, this is the year you don't want to wait to ignore it. Prices are rising again in 2026, and waiting until summer could cost you more than you think. Let's talk about what's really happening in the HVAC world right now and what it means for homeowners heading into the heat of the summer. This isn't a scare tactic, it's the reality of the industry. Manufacturers are increasing equipment pricing again this year. So, what is that coming from? Well, new refrigerant requirements, higher material cost, supply chain pressure, and skilled labor demand. It's not just one thing, it's everything stacking on top of each other and causing a situation. And that changes the whole landscape of replacement and HVAC as far as pricing goes. Most homeowners are trying to get one more year out of their systems, one more summer. I'll replace it in the fall. That's normal, but here's the risk. Older systems don't fail when it's convenient. They fail when it's hot, when demand is high, when scheduling gets tight, and now the decision isn't planned, it's reactive. So when summer hits, install timelines shrink, emergency calls jump, equipment availability tightens, and suddenly you're making a fast decision instead of maybe the smartest one. Planning ahead always beats reacting. It always beats reacting. If your system is over 12 years old and repairs are becoming routine, you're kind of starting to approach that decision window, and you keep repairing, or you can replace the whole thing and reset the efficiency, reset the liability, reset the warranty. The key is being honest about where the system actually stands. Right now, February, March, early April, right now is the most controlled time of the year. Flexible scheduling, time to compare options. There's really no emergency pressure. Today's pretty mild. Today's in the 70s. I don't think between me going home last night and me getting up this morning, I have my thermostat sitting on 67. I don't think it turned on one time last night. It just, you have more options this time of year. It's more controllable. You're not under the pressure of demand. This happens every year, but once summer arrives, the pace changes, and it changes fast. That first brutal day, you're off and running, and if you can plan ahead, you're not forced in that box to make that decision, to make it so fast. It needs to be done, but now you're losing flexibility. You're losing negotiations because the price is what the price is. You're kind of held to that price. You're held to the schedule because demand is increasing so fast. If your system is running great, fine, keep it going. But if it's aging, struggling, or costs you more energy, more money, now's the time to evaluate the system before it heats up. Again, it's not going to fail when it's convenient. It's going to fail when it's under pressure, and when it's under the pressure of the summer, it's going to fail. Make the decision on your terms, not because the weather forced it. If you found this video helpful, you found this episode helpful, stick around. We talk about this kind of stuff every single week to help homeowners stay comfortable and avoid expensive surprises.